welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a tutorial on this eye and lip makeup look right here. So let's get right into it. As always, if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you do like it, and definitely hit that notification bell so that you never miss a video from me. Also do follow me on Instagram. This is my handle right here. I do a lot of skincare tips, mini tutorials, tips and tricks on makeup and things like that on there. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, then definitely do follow me on Instagram. Let's start. Just as a side note, I haven't showed you my base in this video, but I have done a base routine very recently on my channel, my updated base routine. So if you guys want to see that, then I will link it down below, or I will probably put one of those cards somewhere right here. So definitely do go and watch that if you are interested. And now let's start. Starting with this matte palette from Makeup Revolution, I'm going to use that shade and applying it into my crease. You want to make sure you apply it into and a little above your crease as well. So just nicely blend it. I'm using a MAC 224 brush to blend this out very, very nicely. Next, taking that chocolate shade and using the same brush, I'm just going to apply that on the inner and outer corner of my eye like so. Once again, using circular motions, just blending that shade into the crease as well, blending it onto my eyelid as well. You want to keep building this till you have reached your desired intensity, keeping the center space blank. Next, taking the Super Shock eyeshadow from Colourpop in the shade Farside, I'm just going to apply that with my fingers, like you can see, to the center of my eyelids. So once I've reached the desired intensity, I'm just going to take that same blending brush and just blend off all the harsh edges. After which, I'm taking my Kajal pencil from NYX and I'm just going to tight line my upper waterline. This is to create intensity. Using this next product, which is an eyeshadow and an eyeliner, I'm using the glitter eyeliner. This product is from Revlon, and I'm just applying it on top of where we applied that Super Shock shadow to really increase the intensity of the glitter or shimmer of this eye look. Kind of blending it out with my finger. Next, I'm just taking that same chocolate shade and I'm intensifying the outer and inner corners just to really smoke out my eye. Next, taking that same Kajal pencil, I'm just going to apply that to my lower waterline all the way from the inner to the outer corner. I did complete my base off camera. If you would like to see a base video, I have linked it down below. So I'm just going to smoke that eyeliner out completely. After which, I'm dipping it into that Super Shock shadow from Colourpop and smoking it out even further. You want to keep blending till you reach your desired intensity, and once again using that eyeliner just on the center part of the eye, matching what we've done above. Finally, using my NYX mascara, the Voluptuous Mascara, I'm just going to apply a generous layer on my top and bottom eyelashes. And then I'm just using my eyelash curler from Color Bar to really curl my lashes before I apply my falsies. Once I've curled them for about 30 seconds, I'm using these PAC M72 lashes and I have just applied those. If you want to see how I apply my lashes, I have a video of that on my Instagram page. So definitely do check that out if you want to see that. Once I'm done seeing what that looks like, I just had a little lipstick on my lips, so taking that off with a wipe. After which, I'm taking this lipstick. It's a matte liquid lipstick from Makeup Forever, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lips. So this lipstick, you can leave it matte if you like. I did apply a gloss after that. It is one of the best matte lipsticks I have ever tried. It's a beautiful orangey red shade. So you can stop right here if you want. I decided I wanted to apply gloss to really amp up my lips. So I'm using this gloss from NYX. It is in the same shade almost, and I'm going to apply that all over my lips as well. And that's it, guys. This is the last step of this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. But before that, just a little snippet of this look.